Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be reviewing another microphone, but today instead of reviewing a wireless microphone, we're gonna be reviewing a USB condenser microphone for computers or laptops. So today we're gonna be reviewing the CKMOVA SUM3. So right now you are hearing directly from the wireless lavalier microphone that I am using, but we are gonna move on to the CKMOVA SUM3. Alright, so this is the box of the CKMOVA SUM3 Studio Quality USB Condenser Microphone for Type-C and Type-A devices. So the box is made out of carton with English instructions and English text. Then there is a seal on top. Okay. Okay, upon opening the box, we have a styrofoam. We have a styrofoam storage, and we have here the CKMOVA SUM3. So we're gonna remove this and set this aside. So we have here a warranty card. We have the instruction manuals, and there is a silica gel inside. And I think these are the cables for the microphone. So we have here a USB Type-C to Type-C. So there are both Type-C cables. The other one is a USB Type-C to a Type-A connection. And now you are hearing directly from the CKMOVA SUM3, and this is no post-processing. The volume or the gain knob is set to about 40%, and the monitor volumes is set to 40% as well. The reason that I didn't set it to 100% because this one is actually more than enough to hear my voice clearly. So if you wanted to set it on a higher volume, that depends on you, but you would hear a lot of ambient noises if you do that. So right now, I will let you hear the ambient noises. The air conditioner is actually turned on right now, and my dog is barking outside. So I will be quiet for a while so you can hear the ambient noises. And let's observe how the CKMOVA SUM3 stands out against the noise. So right now we are going to be testing out the cardioid polar pattern of this microphone. So right now I am speaking in front of the microphone, and I will try to rotate the microphone so that we would know how the polar pattern works on this microphone. I'm going to be spinning around the microphone so you can hear whenever the angle changes on this microphone. So I am like 300 degrees away, and I am back on the middle, or I am back in front of the microphone. So I'm gonna try to rotate the microphone downwards so you would know how it changes or how the polar pattern works on this microphone. So it's quite clear in here on top. You can also use this as a top facing microphone, but the sound is actually best when you are in front of the capsule. And I just wanted to add out that there's a feature of this microphone that I really like, and that is the function or the mute function or the mute button for this microphone. The volume knob is not just a volume knob. You can actually press the button. So if you're like talking to someone and you wanted to pause for a bit, you don't want to let them hear what you're saying, or let them hear what you are hearing on the back, or you wanted to totally mute the microphone, you have an option for that. You just need to press the volume knob or the, and that is really helpful if you're using this microphone for Skype calls, meetings, or anything that requires you to at least decrease, or you wanted to put your volume to 0 instantly. And I wanted to point out that the microphone is small, but it really sounds great. I actually used my AT2020, and this one doesn't have a pop filter within it, but it still sounds good, and it's pretty well doing good with the plosives as well. So for me, I think this microphone sounds great, and I also wanted to hear it from you on what are your thoughts about the sound quality of this microphone. Because for me, this is a really great USB microphone. And the best part is, it is also using a Type-C connection. And as you can see, I am also connected using a headset because it has a live monitoring feature. Once you connect a headset to this microphone, you can actually hear the sounds coming from the microphone and also the ones that comes from the computer. And so I can actually hear my voice without any latency or delays. And I can also hear the sound coming from the computer. So if you're looking for a microphone that you can also use for recording, I think this microphone is gonna do well. And guys, this is also plug and play, so you don't have to install any drivers on your computer. You just have to attach the USB cable and it's gonna be detected to your computer. Alright, so I'm gonna be testing the SUM3 on music test. So I have my guitar here and I'm gonna try to lower the microphone so that it can at least detect the sound of the guitar better. Alright, here we go.
Does the moonlight shine on Paris after the sun goes down? If the London Bridge is falling, will anybody hear a sound? If you follow the sunset, will it ever end? Does the moonlight shine on Paris? Will it ever end?
That's it for our short review of the CKMOVA SUM3. So what do you think, guys? What are your thoughts about this microphone? Please let me know on the comment section below. Anyway, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and a comment. And if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell icon so you get updated for more microphone reviews like this. Again, this is Luigi Versoza and thank you for watching my video.